In today's video, let's learn a winter special sweet recipe, gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa with my simple step-by-step video. This is a very simple recipe, but the taste and the experience of having a warm bowl of carrot halwa is amazing on winter cold days, and I hope you like this recipe. Hey guys, welcome back to Mano Cooks. I'm Mano and let's get started. For this, let's take a deep pan and let's add quarter cup melted ghee to that, and let's heat this on medium flame. Now to this, let's add 4 cups grated carrot. As you can see, I have grated them in a big size grater. Always grate the carrot into big size because we are going to be cooking the carrot for a long time and we want some texture in our halwa finally when we eat it. So now let's saute the carrot in ghee for 3 to 4 minutes here with continuous stirring. After 4 minutes, let's add milk to this. Since I have taken 4 cups of grated carrot, I am adding 6 cups of milk here. So for 1 cup of grated carrot, I am adding 1.5 cup milk. That is my best proportion for this recipe. Now let's mix it well. Wait until we get a quick boil. Once the milk starts to boil, let's mix it once and cover this with a lid, and let's cook this on medium flame. You can open, check and mix it in between if you want to. But since we are boiling carrot in milk, definitely at this point it won't stick to the bottom. Now already it has been cooking for 20 minutes. Let's mix and cover and cook until milk reduces. In between, you can always open the pan and give a mix. Now by the time the milk reduces completely, carrot will also be cooked fully. As you see in the video, carrot and milk should come together and there should not be any liquid. That would be the right consistency. When you see that milk is reduced totally, let's move this to a different stove and let's quickly prepare our dry fruits for carrot halwa. Heat a small pan and add quarter cup ghee, and to that let's add 20 to 25 almonds slivered along with 20 cashew nuts broken into small pieces. Let's saute the nuts in ghee until they are golden. Remember to keep an eye on the carrot and milk mixture and stir it in between. Now our nuts are fried and golden. Let's keep this aside and check back on the halwa mixture. Once it all comes together as how you see in the video, let's add our hot ghee with dry fruits to this and mix and cook for few minutes. So we added quarter cup ghee in the start and another quarter cup right in this stage. Adding ghee helps to preserve this halwa for a long time, so please do add totally half cup of ghee for this quantity as shown in the video. Now in this stage, let's add half teaspoon cardamom powder to this, and already the milk has reduced and carrot is completely cooked, so it's time to add sugar. So for this quantity, I am adding 1.5 cup sugar here. This is the exact quantity of sugar to sweeten this gajar ka halwa. Remember to add sugar only after carrot is completely cooked and milk is totally reduced, because after you add sugar, carrot will not be cooked at all. After we add sugar, the mixture will become liquidish again. Do not worry, sugar has to cook and it will become thick in some time. In this stage, if the mixture splatters, please close it with a lid and continue cooking. I am also adding a pinch of salt here, as salt helps to bring out the sweetness. Don't forget to add this in this stage and give it a good mix. Now you can see that the sugar is cooked and the halwa is leaving the sides of the pan, and it has nice glaze from the ghee and vibrant color of the carrots. So this is my best recipe of gajar ka halwa without any koya or condensed milk, with easily available ingredients at home along with winter carrots. This is absolute must try sweet recipe. So it's time to turn off the stove and let me dish out and show it to you. Carrot cooked to perfection with milk, ghee and dry fruits to melt in mouth texture makes this a must try recipe in winter. Do give this recipe a try with my exact measurements and I'm sure you would thank me for this recipe. I hope you liked watching this recipe. If yes, please give a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to Mano Cooks and click on the bell icon right now to watch my videos as soon as I post them. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video. Until then, try this recipe and enjoy with family.